Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet sofa blanket designs model. A crochet sofa blanket, often referred to as an Afghan or throw blanket, is a type of blanket that is handmade using the crochet technique. Crochet is a method of creating fabric by interlocking loops of yarn with a crochet hook. These blankets are not only functional for keeping warm, but also serve as decorative pieces that can add a cozy and personal touch to your living space. Here are some key features of crochet sofa blankets. Variety of patterns. Crochet sofa blankets come in a wide variety of patterns and designs, ranging from simple and classic to intricate and elaborate. Common patterns include granny skirts, ripple, saffron patterns, and lacy motifs. Customization. One of the great things about crochet blankets is that they can be customized in terms of size, color, and design. This makes them unique and tailored to your personal taste or home decor. Materials. These blankets are typically made from different types of yarn, such as acrylic, cotton, wool, or blends. This choice of yarn can affect the blanket's texture, warmth, and durability. Handmade charm. Crochet sofa blankets often have a handmade charm and can be passed down as heirlooms. They can be made by yourself, a loved one, or purchased from crafters. Versatility. These blankets can be used in various ways, such as dropped over the back of a sofa for added style, used as an extra layer for warmth while lounging, or even as a picnic blanket. Seasonal variations. Depending on the yarn and pattern used, crochet blankets can be suitable for different seasons. Lightweight cotton blankets are great for summer, while thicker woolen ones are perfect for winter. Gift Orthe. Crochet sofa blankets make thoughtful and cherished gifts for occasions like birthdays, weddings, or housewarming, as they can be personalized with favorite colors and patterns. A crochet sofa blanket is not just a practical item, it is also a bit of art that can add a touch of warmth and personality to any room. If you are interested in learning how to make one, there are plenty of tutorials and patterns available online to get you started. Here are some tips to help you create a beautiful and cozy crochet sofa blanket. First, choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that suits your needs and preferences. For a soft and warm blanket, consider using wool or a wool blend. For a lighter, breathable blanket, opt for cotton or acrylic yarn. Make sure the yarn is comfortable against the skin. Select an appropriate hook size. The crochet hook size you use will affect the texture and shape of your blanket. A larger hook size will create a looser, more flexible fabric, while a smaller hook size will produce a denser, tighter fabric. Follow the recommended hook size on the yarn label or adjust based on your desired outcome. Pick a pattern. There are countless crochet patterns to choose from, ranging from simple to complex. For beginners, start with a basic pattern like the granny scarves or a simple single crochet stitch. As you gain confidence, you can experiment with more intricate patterns such as chevrons, ripples, or leg motifs. Plan your colors. Decide on the color scheme of your blanket. You can use a single color, a gradient of shades, or a mix of contrasting colors. Consider the decor of the room where the blanket will be used to ensure it complements the space. Take your time. Crochet is a relaxing and meditative craft. To take your time and enjoy the process. Don't just throw your project. Instead, focus on each stitches and draw to ensure even tension and a neat finish. Stay consistent with tension. Maintaining consistent tension throughout your project is important for achieving a uniform look. Practice holding the yarn and hook in a way that feels comfortable and allows you to remain even tension. Weave in ends as you go. Avoid having a lot of loose ends to weave in at the end of your project. Consider weaving them in as you go. This will make the finishing process much easier and keep your work looking tidy. Block your blanket. Once your blanket is complete, consider blocking it to achieve the desired shape and size. Blocking involves wetting or steaming the blanket and then pinning it to a flat surface to dry. This helps to even out the stitches and enhance the overall appearance. Add a border. Adding a border to your blanket can give it a polished look and help reinforce the edge. Choose a border pattern that complements the main design of your blanket and use a contrasting or coordinating color for added interest. Care and maintenance. Follow the care instructions for your chosen yarn to ensure your blanket stays in good condition. Some yarns may require hand washing and flat drying, while others can be machine washed and dried. Experiment and have fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with different stitches, patterns, and color combination. Crochet is a versatile and creative craft, so let your imagination guide you. Creating a crochet sofa blanket can be a rewarding and enjoyable project. Whether you are making it for yourself or as a gift, the end result will be a cozy and personalized addition to any home. Here are some additional tips to help you create an even more beautiful and cozy crochet sofa blanket. Join as you go method. If you are making a blanket with individual motifs like granny scarves, consider using the join as you go method. This technique allows you to join the scarves as you go crochet, saving you time and effort later. Color changes. When changing colors, make sure to secure the ends properly to prevent them from interleaving. You can weave the ends into the stitches as you go, or use a tapestry needle to hide them afterward. Texture stitches. Incorporate texture stitches like bubbles, popcorns, and cables to add dimension and interest to your blanket. These stitches can create a tactile experience and make your blanket stand out. Yarn substitution. If you can't find the exact yarn recommended in a pattern, don't worry. You can substitute with a similar weight and fiber content. Just make sure to check your cost to ensure the final size matches your expectations. Portable projects. Crochet blankets can be large projects, but you can make them more portable by working in sections or motifs. This way, you can easily take your work with you and crochet on the go. Mindful crochet. Practice mindful crochet by focusing on each stitch and enjoying the process. This can be a relaxing and meditative activity that helps reduce stress and enhance well-being. Enjoy the process of creating your crochet sofa blanket and let your creativity shine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!